So have you ever felt completely drained when you're trying to learn coding? And no matter how much time you put into this, it just never feels enough. And that's what I kind of want to talk about today, because I want to share the three biggest reasons that coding can really feel exhausting and how to fix it. And if you're new to this channel, my name's Rob. I'm with PreCodeCamp, and I've taught both in person and online from very beginner students trying to learn how to code. And I've seen the students hit these same walls over and over again. And I thought I'd put together this video to go over some things that you can do personally to help you not feel drained. So one of the first reasons that I think that beginner students or beginner learners feel overwhelmed or feel exhausted is because they are skipping rest. And I know it may sound like common sense. I've seen students think that if they're not coding, then they are falling behind. And this constant grind that they're doing is not helping, and it actually hurts because you're not able to retain that information. Your brain needs that downtime in order to absorb the new information. So when we taught in a classroom setting, we actually had a cafe area. We had a ping pong table. Students could step away, they could relax and recharge. And when we shifted to online teaching, then we saw the same type of thing where the students needed a recharge. So what could we do then is we made sure that we took these 10, 15-minute breaks where we step away from the computer, where we actually see the students online step away from the camera and go out. They can either go walk the dog, come back, they feel refreshed, go to the kitchen, get something to eat, drink. Again, that movement definitely helps not only wake them up, but also you're feeling refreshed. And that way you're able to go ahead and start at it again. And so you'll return more sharp, more focused. And it really, the rest really isn't wasted time. It's just part of learning. So the second reason that coding can feel overwhelming to new learners is they're trying to do everything at once. And I've seen it where students would load up a tutorial. They would try to code along with the instructor line by line, but the instructor's kind of going through the material really quick from that video. And the student becomes very quickly overwhelmed. And so their frustration isn't about their ability to code. It was just about the pace of the video, the pace of the program. And so when I was teaching in the classroom, I would cover a topic in a live lecture, and then I would immediately give a challenge to the group of students. But instead of having them try to solve this alone, I put them in a breakout room where they can work together. And in our after unit surveys, students have consistently said week after week that they learned so much more by going into these breakout room sessions, where it's not a lecture itself, but it's from collaborating and having other students explain things to each other and solving the challenge as a team. And the lesson from this is that you don't have to absorb everything in real time. You need to slow down. You need to break it into layers, give yourself some space to process, and whether that be rewatching the code later, or you can even talk about it out loud to others. And that is where that material actually sticks. So that would be in itself a really great thing for students and new learners to do. So my final point on this is going to be overworking. A lot of beginners, they believe that they need to code 6 to 8 hours a day to either catch up or to learn the material. And it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. I've had students push themselves so hard that by the end of the week, they were drained, they were ready to quit and questioning whether or not coding was for them. But as an instructor, you get to see the whole picture, you get to see the growth, and you know that they're in the right place. They are just getting overwhelmed. They're getting bombarded with overworking. So that would be my last and final tip here, is to make sure that you're not getting overwhelmed, that you are taking things step by step. And coding is like going to a gym, right? Consistency matters over how long the workout is. And so hopefully that makes sense. So if coding feels exhausting to you, take a step back. Ask yourself these questions. Are you skipping rest? Are you trying to do everything all at once? Are you pushing yourself too hard? I've seen so many students wrestle with these same challenges, and the ones that thrive are the ones that find the balance. Remember that it's not about coding harder, it's about coding smarter and staying in the game for the long run. So if you're new to coding, I would love to hear what kind of struggles you are going through down in the comments, because I might have some solutions or some tips or tricks that could definitely help you out in your journey. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.